David, David, David.
Oh.
Wake up.
Oh.
It's not one night stands, it's one night stays.
One night stays. Oh, all right. Well, I guess I got that one wrong.
You did. You got that one wrong.
All right. So this video is about our one night stays that Tina and I have when we make what, long trips?
Yes.
A lot of times when we're like, okay, so right now we are just 1 week vacationers, right? Long weekends, etc. So when we go on our long trips, like from Louisville to Colorado or Louisville to Michigan and upstate New York, we have to stay over somewhere one night. Obviously, it's too long to drive.
Right.
So we've made a list of what, five of our favorite. Yep, our top 5 favorite one night stays.
Overs.
And so we're just going to highlight them and just, you know, kind of give you just a quick summary.
That's right.
Yeah. Okay. So because we're old, we have to look at our list, which is on the floor. So I'm going to reach over. We're going to reach over and pick up our list real quick.
Okay.
So let's do that.
Let's do that.
All right.
Okay.
So and these are no particular order at all. These are just 5 that we picked out that we enjoyed staying at. First on the list
is Shipshewana South, and we've stayed there coming back from Michigan, and we had planned on staying a 2-night there, but with bad storms coming in, we only stayed 1 night. And it's a really neat place to stay. It's an Amish town, and a lot of shopping, great ice cream, and it's very close to Elkhart, Indiana, and the RV museum.
Right. It was a planned 2-night stay over, but like Tina said, you know, we just had a bug out, so 1 night. We also stayed at the Shipshewana North.
That's correct.
A few years, well, actually before we started the channel.
Right.
Actually before we got the pups.
That's correct.
we stayed at the Shipshewana North.
That's
so
right.
both of those parks have been really nice. We really enjoyed
Right.
them. The second one on the list is the Pine Ridge RV Park, which is in Frankenmuth, Michigan, and it is near the town Frankenmuth.
Right.
It's not actually in Frankenmuth, but we were there for 1 night.
That's correct.
And we were coming, that was on the same trip actually, we were coming back from Michigan to the Upper Peninsula.
That's correct.
And we stopped at Frankenmuth, and on our way to dinner, we saw what?
The Christmas store.
Yeah, which I really didn't think I'd ever get Tina out of that store.
Yeah, it's the Christmas store.
Yeah, it's like the world's largest Christmas
That's right.
store, and so it was fun. We actually had a good time.
Right.
Now the park itself, we didn't really do a video on the park, but it was really nice. We did a quick drive-through.
Yeah, we did a drive-through. Yeah.
We did a quick drive-through, but the park itself is really nice. It's really wooded.
Very clean.
Very clean. It had full hookups. So
Staff was nice.
Yep. So the pull-through, we got pull-through spots. By the way, most of all our one-night stayovers are pull-throughs.
Right.
So that's the, what did I say that was? The Pine Ridge RV in Frankenmuth.
That's correct.
Yeah, really good place to stay. So our number 3 spot is
Happy Acres, which is in Angola, Indiana, and it really is a happy little park. It's very clean. It's got a lot of activities for families, and it's got a nice little camp store, and the people in there are just so friendly.
Yeah.
And we just really enjoyed staying there overnight.
Yep.
The pups even enjoyed it. I think that's where Annie learned how to walk down the steps.
It is. And we did make a little short video, and that was actually on our way up to the Upper Peninsula.
That's correct.
Yeah, we made a little short video of the park,
Right.
just like a little walkthrough.
Right.
So we'll put links to all these up here somewhere.
Yeah.
So yeah, you know, that's the first place we ever ordered pizza delivery.
That's right.
And they didn't deliver in the park, which they told us we can't get in the park, so I had to take a hike down to the front gate, meet them there. But anyway, yeah, so Happy Acres in Angola, Indiana. All right, number 4 is Junction City, Kansas. It's the Smoky Hills RV Park in Junction City, Kansas. And actually, that was our very first video.
Yeah.
Was when we were leaving Louisville, Kentucky, and going to Colorado, our very first time, as we started the channel, we stopped at the Smoky Hills RV Park in Junction City, Kansas. It's like almost right smack dab middle between Louisville and Denver. So we've stayed there several times now. We've been out to Colorado 3 times in the RV, and 2 of those 3 times we stayed at Smoky Hills. The third one we'll tell you in a little bit.
And it's a nice little park. It's got a nice little dog park.
Yep.
It's got a nice little seating area for a fire pit seating area. And the sunsets are really beautiful.
Yeah, at least they were when we were there.
That's right. And it's a very clean.
Yeah, it's right off I-70. It's not far away from a fueling station, so you can pretty much rest assured that, you know, if you get there and you're a little light on fuel, you've got you got access to fuel.
That's correct.
What else about that park was really good? We liked, well, the pull-throughs are at the very front of the park. So as you make your way around and you pull through, if you get up like we did early the next morning, you're not disturbing people too much because you're right out the gate.
And you stay hooked up and just
we just stay hooked up on all these. We stay hooked up. Well, except for the Shipshawana.
Yeah.
Because it was supposed to be a 2-nighter. Our number 5 is Tina.
Prescott,
Isle. I can't say it either.
Isle, near Erie, Pennsylvania.
Correct.
Yes.
Yeah, and again, we were heading to the upstate New York for that was the Lake George.
That's correct.
We were heading to Lake George, and again, we were looking for an easy on and off or off and on stay over place, and I found this, and it's really nice. We made videos of that one as well.
Yeah.
And
it's a nice park.
Yep.
It had some unique, like it had that boat house that was they could rent right there in the park. They had cabins there, and
nice playground up front for the kiddos.
That's correct. And a nice little store.
Yep.
And a nice park to walk around in. So.
Yeah, we did. We walked the entire
park.
Entire park. I think there's some permanent residents
That's
there.
Correct.
Yeah. But yeah, overall, great place to stay. We really enjoyed that.
Right.
And again, it was a pull through.
That's correct.
Yeah. All right, so that's our top 5. And again, no particular order.
And we have a couple of honorable mentions.
Yep. So our honorable mentions are, Tina?
The first one's going to be the Love's RV Park. And that was our first time staying in one of those locations. Not all of them are...
Yeah. Most of them, well, I shouldn't say most. The ones I know of that I've seen are not like this. The one we stayed at in Indiana was kind of enclosed. It was a separate park away from the fueling stations and the truckers. The ones I've seen, early on when they were putting these things out, they were like just a side of the parking lot. And they had a designated area that you would back into.
Right.
But this one here was really nice.
Right.
I mean, for $51 a night, I mean, you had
wasn't
full
too
hookups.
bad,
It was secure. It wasn't really too loud. I mean, you could hear the truckers off a little bit, but it wasn't bad at all. They had the pickleball. Of course, we made a video on this one. They had a pickleball courts. Basketball. Great dog park.
They had a nice laundry area.
Nice laundry area. And of course, the Love store.
Yeah.
Which wasn't open.
Which wasn't open when we were there. Even though it said it was supposed to be open, it wasn't open.
Yeah. This one here was brand new, so I think they just haven't had enough people show up yet to like open the store at 7 o'clock in the morning.
But it was a nice stay over. Nice.
Yes.
Yeah.
I would do it again.
Yeah.
I would like to actually try I'll call it a regular Love's stay over because that's how they first started these things. If you've stayed at one, drop us a comment, let us know, because I like to hear what your experiences were. And all right, and the last one, of course, is the Walmart, and we stayed twice.
We stayed at Walmart,
Yeah. Funny thing about the Walmart we stayed was in Junction City, which was literally like 2 miles maybe from Smoky Hills.
Right.
we didn't know Smoky Hills existed. So we stayed at the Walmart parking lot. We tried to go to the Cracker Barrel there in Junction City.
Yeah, but it was dark, way too dark.
Yeah, we got there and it was dark.
Right, and there was not any other RVers there, and we had not had a chance to talk to anyone in the restaurant because it was already closed. So we just didn't feel safe or feel like it was
the proper thing.
The proper thing to do
so
without asking.
We pulled out of there and went and we found the Walmart.
Right.
And parked there.
Right.
So,
which wasn't too bad.
No, actually, you know, I take that back. We've stayed at 3 Walmarts. Where have you stayed in your one night stands? Right. I mean, one night stayovers. And let us know. That way, when we start traveling more, which we hope be sooner than later.
Right.
You know, we've got plans. We're making plans. So let us know where you're gonna stay. And as we continue to have more one night stayovers, we'll update this video.
Right.
Or we'll add to it. Yeah.
Right.
So I guess we'll wrap this up.
Right. We hope this video has been helpful. And like David said, share any of the, one night stands. As always, we want to say thank you for watching. And if you're not a subscriber, please consider subscribing. And be sure to like and ring that bell to get notified whenever we put out a new video. Until next time,
keep embarking
on new adventures.
All right, bye now.
Bye-bye. The RV Museum.
The RV Museum.
Yes, the RV. I think we need to start it all over.
All right, number 3, Tina, is
Happy Acres in Angora.
Angola.
Let's start all over. And
so number 3, Tina, is
Happy Acres in
just say the word first.
Angola.
Angola.
Okay.
Say it again.
Angola.
Say it again.
Angola.
Okay. So our number 3 is
Happy Acres, and it's located in Angora, Angola, Indiana.
Well, except for the